How to make Arceus an infinite craft. Just follow the steps. You can use Pokemon to make different Pokemons, but I will do this in another video if you guys want to. Now we will make King BCS Arceus is the king of Pokemon. I think that Charizard or Pikachu is the king, but infinite craft just is like that. Okay, we will get king now. Let's see if it works. For the moment of truth, and it works. Make sure to like, and while you're down there just click the red subscribe button to make it grey. This is the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if this video hits 10 likes, I will do the next Pokemon of the top comment.